Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Philips MG3730x15 all-in-one trimmer.
This is what the trimmer looks like. It's part of Philips Multi-Groom Series 3000. It has up to 60 minutes of runtime and has rinsable attachments. It also comes with 2 years of worldwide warranty. I'll just give you a closer look. There you can see additional information such as there is a trimmer attachment, which is your standard attachment, a nose and ear trimmer. There are also 6 detachable combs that comes with this particular box. That makes it a total of 8 tools. We will take a look at each of them. Over here there's an image of all the components that you'll find inside this box, which are mainly the 2 heads, the trimmer, the 6 combs and a storage pouch. That's more or less it. Let's open this box and see what's inside. So this is what you get inside the box. There are some documents right on top. This is the user manual for the MG3 series. Actually, you can see that this particular user manual is for all of these devices. I'm going to keep this one over here. Next up, we have a certificate of purchase. This is basically a product information brochure. I'm going to keep this over here. And this is a safety information brochure. Yes, this is a safety information brochure. I'm going to keep this over here as well. This is a 1-year warranty card. This is the brush that you will use to clean the trimmer head. I will show you how it's done later. This is of course the storage pouch. It has a zip lock on top, which is a nice touch. First take a look at this charger over here. This is a standard charger for your trimmer. So I'm going to leave this over here. A lot of detachable combs here. I'm going to take them out one by one. But first, let's take a look at the trimmer itself. This is the Philips MG3730x15 all-in-one groomer. It has a very slim form factor and a matte black finish. There is a anti-slip grip over here. This is the trimmer head that is detachable, of course. I will detach it and show it to you. There you go. This is how it's done. I'll reattach it now. There you go. This is the power button. You can see that this is still working right now. And so these are basically stainless steel blades. What happens is when you use this device, the blades, they rub against each other and they keep sharpening each other. So that's why they're called self-sharpening. That's more or less it. I'm going to keep this trimmer over here and go back to the box and see what else is there. This is a 3mm to 7mm adjustable comb. You can see there's a 3mm to 7mm mark over here. So this can be adjusted like so. What is this? This is a 16mm comb. This is a hair comb. This is a 16mm hair comb. These are the other 2 hair combs. I'm going to take them out of the packet. Two other hair combs. This is the 9mm hair comb and this is the 12mm hair comb. Next we have 2 stubble combs. Let me show them to you. These are your stubble combs. And lastly we have the nose and ear hair trimmer. So we have 1 adjustable comb, 3 hair combs. There you go, the 3 hair combs right here. 2 stubble combs, and that's it. These are your 6 plus 2, that's 8 tools for trimming your hair and face.
So this is what you'll find inside the box containing the Philips MG3730x15 all-in-one trimmer. Thank you for watching.